add in water to wash the banga. You have to wash it off of dirt and sand. I transfer it into a pot like so, adding water slightly above the banga. I put on the heat and cover this to cook for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Let's check on the banga. Here it is. To check if it's done, I just pick one like this, then I touch it and it's soft now, so I'll take it off from the heat. Here is my mortar and pestle and the banga, so I scoop it in. You can use your food processor if you so wish, but I want to use my mortar for this. It's obvious I'll go twice for this, and it's important to pound it when it's still hot so that they can extract the oil. I have to keep pounding it like this. So this is almost ready. You pound it in such a way that you do not break the kernels, but you extract oil from the shaft. You can see. Here is my banga, well pounded. So I add in hot water, not too much. I don't want to add a lot of water and use electricity or gas to cook it dry. So I stir it in. This hot water will extract all the oil in there. Just look at that, just turn it in and it melts the oil in the banga. I've turned it in enough for this first time. So I'll pour it into this sieve basket and the oil will drain in. I stir it in here for the oil to come out. Oil will not come out at once. I do this twice. I don't like adding a lot of water, and I use hot water for this. So I send it back in here. And I add in more hot water and repeat the same process. I turn in the hot water to extract more banga juice. You can see I've extracted all the banga juice out. These are the pan kernels. So go ahead and start cooking it. Now I transfer the banga juice to a pot. See the banga. When it gets here, I'm careful to avoid adding in these black things. I discard this rest.